On today's first look, we have a 1962 Ford Thunderbird Custom Coupe, lot number 1071.1. This car holds personal and historical significance, as Ronnie Montrose used to cruise it with Sammy Hagar and the other Montrose bandmates, cementing its connection to the rock history. The car underwent a meticulous 2-year restoration process. This includes the attention to detail in both the mechanical systems and the cosmetic details, showcasing the craftsmanship of the restoration team. It retains its original factory drivetrain, featuring the original 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. This third-generation Thunderbird, these were built from 1961 to 1963, reflects the iconic jet age design cues. Signature elements include the bullet nose, the grille, the sharpened rear quarter lines in the rear, and the sleek profile of the side of the car. The 1962 model also marked the introduction of the Landau variant. They made a little variation here, so it has a cloth top on it because he really wanted it to look like a convertible when he was restoring the car. This emphasized luxury and sophistication. The Thunderbird is not just a car, but a symbol of its era, celebrating its role defining the personal luxury car market. Its connection to Sammy Hagar and the rock scene adds a layer of cultural significance. Sammy will drive this car during our Rock the Block concert on January 17th, featuring Sammy and friends. They will be sitting in the car, driving it up just like when they used to tour around with all the Montrose band members. A real throwback. Fans and bidders can purchase tickets for the Rock the Block concert, register as bidders, or buy event packages at Barrett-jackson.com.